Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix FIFA stuck at the loading screen, step by step. If your game freezes before reaching the main menu, don't worry, there are several fixes you can try. First, completely close the game and restart your PC or console. A simple restart often clears temporary glitches. Next, check for game updates. Open your game launcher or console updates section and make sure FIFA is fully updated. If you're on PC, verify the game files through Steam or the EA app. Right-click the game, select Properties, and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files to repair any corrupted data. You should also update your graphics drivers to the latest version. Outdated drivers can cause loading issues. Close background applications to free up RAM and disable any overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience. If the issue continues, clear the game cache by deleting temporary files from the Documents folder related to FIFA. After applying these steps, launch the game again. In most cases, these fixes resolve the loading screen problem successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.